Hi Cookie Kids. Did you know today is Hug a Bear Day? And to celebrate, we're going to read Hugless Douglas and the Great Cake Bake by David Melling. Early one morning, Douglas was surprised to find a trail of footprints running across his bed. They were sticky and tasted of honey. "Who's been walking on my bed?" asked Douglas. The honey-flavoured footprints led all the way up to his food cupboard. "Where's my honey?" Douglas gasped. He looked at the food very carefully. "I can't eat any of this without honey on top, and I'm really hungry." Douglas quickly changed and followed the honey trail outside. "If only I could find a clue to help me," he sighed. Then Douglas twitched his nose. "I know that smell." "Ah, hello, Douglas," barked the sheep. "Why are you wearing my honey?" asked Douglas. "We're collecting everything we need to make honey cakes," said Flossie. "Can you help?" "Oh, yes," said Douglas. "I love baking." The sheep had collected berries, nuts, carrots, and honey. "Right then," said Flossie. "We need to put our aprons on and wash our paws. Now, let's bake." Berries, nuts, carrots. Flossie shouted instructions from her recipe book and they set to work. Eggs, flour, honey, and mix. "I've finished. Can I eat some now?" asked Douglas. "Not yet. It needs baking first," Flossie said. "But if you're hungry, why not try these berries?" "No, thanks," said Douglas. "They haven't got honey on them. I'll wait." Douglas's tummy grumbled as he watched the sheep put dollops of the mixture into baking trays and into the oven. By now, everyone was very hungry. Douglas found a plate and joined the back of a bad-tempered queue. There was pushing and nudging. Then someone threw a carrot. "Food fight!" Ping went the oven. "The cakes are ready," said Flossie. "Yay!" cried the sheep as they scrambled towards the delicious smell. "Save some for me," cried Douglas. But the sheep didn't hear, and every single cake had been eaten. "What am I going to do now?" said Douglas, clutching his hungry tummy. He looked at the carrot on the floor and sighed. He bit into one. He said, a little surprised. "That's nice." Douglas wasn't used to eating anything without honey on top. He took a mouthful of berries. "Even nicer. And nuts. Yummy," he cried. "Carrots, berries, and nuts are almost as good as honey," said Douglas. "But not quite. Nothing beats honey and hugs." Hi Cookie Kids, we're so happy you enjoyed today's story, so don't forget to hit subscribe and join us on our next adventure. See you soon.